Okay, so here we are inside of Photoshop. I already prepared the background and I added text to it as well. So the first thing we want to do is duplicate this. So press Ctrl J to duplicate it and double click here to go to layer style. And here we want to uncheck this once. RGB, R for red, G for green, B for blue. So we want to uncheck green and blue. And if you move this slightly to the right, we'll be able to see the effect taking place. And now we go back to our main background and Ctrl G to duplicate it again. And now press M for rectangular marquee tool. And you can either click here to make multiple selection, or you can make a selection like that. And by holding Shift, you see this plus icon we get. We can make multiple selections by holding Shift. So just make a couple of selections like that. We'll add some to the text as well. One here, one more goes here. And what we want to do is just click on this mask icon. So it creates a mask out of these selections we just made. And we want to click here to the picture and not the mask. So we move this to the right a little and we get this effect. Now we go back to our main background, Ctrl J to duplicate it, and now we do the same, press M and do the same for the parts that we haven't selected. Now we can do the same, click on this mask icon and we can click on this picture here, move this to the left side now. And that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Take care.